Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Investment Pro. Today I'm going to share my thoughts and some updates on Lucid. We will discuss if they were able to deliver 520 cars in 2021 and production guidance for 2022. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. As a matter of fact, we all want to know if Lucid was able to deliver on the promise they made to the market during the last earnings calls in 2021. They promised to deliver 520 EVs by the end of 2021. A flyover video posted online shows more than 100 cars awaiting delivery in a parking lot at Lucid's manufacturing facility in Casa Grande, Arizona. Lucid's Air production appears to gain speed as more and more cars were seen in the past weeks around the Lucid plants. In this video, there are also parking lots half full of cars wrapped up and ready to be shipped to the customers. The parked car indicates that there might be a good chance for Lucid to make good on its promises to deliver all 520 Dream Editions cars by the end of 2021. As you all know, the 520 number is very important for Lucid since it has to do with cars EPA rating of 520 miles on one charge. I wasn't aware about this fact, but this is what it is. At this time, the production rate seems to be around 10 units per day, which is pretty similar to Rivian R1T's production figures, although Rivian is a little bit behind, in compared to Lucid. Lucid plans to increase its Air production in 2022 with 20,000 units planned. This is a significant increase for a new startup EV company, but this is Lucid with a massive cash in hand, so it seems this will be possible for Lucid to deliver on its promises in 2022 as well. During the last earnings calls, Lucid CEO Peter Rawlinson had reiterated the commitment to deliver 20,000 cars in 2022. However, Rawlinson also indicated that there are some supply chain issues and that could be the threat to this target. However, so far we have not seen any reports of mass delays, and this suggests that Lucid Group's 2021 delivery target remains achievable. As per this article, we still don't officially know how many Air EVs have been delivered in bulk. Bear in mind that Lucid Group needs to deliver an average of around 8 EVs per day to meet its 520 EVs by the end of 2021. That's their delivery target for 2021. Based on the 63 days between the 30th of October when the deliveries begin and the end of the year. For 2022, this production guidance needs to increase to an average of 55 vehicles per day, assuming year-round operation schedules. The flyover video also shows the progress related to the expansion of the plant to meet the future production demand. Lucid announced the current AMP1 has a capacity up to 34 cars per year. The second phase of the factory is under construction, and that will add another 56,000 units to the yearly capacity. In total, the Lucid can deliver 90,000 units per annum once these two factories and plants are up and running. I think it would be very unfair if I don't give a shout out to this guy. This is amazing guy. I'm following this guy, and this all drone videos are coming from this guy, so I would recommend to follow this guy, just to keep if you're invested in Lucid, I want to keep a track of Lucid cars and deliveries to the date. So guys, with all these updates and news, in my opinion, not a financial advice, Lucid should be able to deliver 520 EVs in 2021, and this is also indicated in today's jump in the stock price for Lucid. So you can see that currently the stock price is currently running at $41.48. So this is a massive increase in a price for today. We also saw a Barron's article, where Citi is bullish on Lucid stock, where one of the analyst has given a buy rating with a price target of $57. So this is all bullish. That is also indicated in today's stock price jump. With all these news, I think Lucid should be able to deliver 520 target for 2021. So guys, let me know your thought. Do you think Lucid will be able to deliver 520 EVs in 2021? Let me know your thoughts by commenting on this video, and please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button, and let me know what you expect in the coming earnings, the earnings from Q4 for Lucid stocks. Let me know if you're long-term holder, if you're short-term, and what you expect in Q1 in 2022. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching, and thanks for your time.